started doing second fix on this job that I'm on at the moment yesterday. I've done some architraves in the hallway, you can probably see. Architrave, one going into this room. I've skirted this room out, as you can see, and then architrave and architrave. And then yesterday it just got a bit too hot and there's just no airflow around here, so I finished a bit earlier yesterday and I'm in early this morning to start off. So today I want to try and smash quite a lot of it out. Just going to start in this room now, so I'm going to put the architrave on here, architrave there, and then just go around. You've got other people's other trade stuff in here as well, so I just need to work around it. And then I'll show you my saw setup at the moment. So this is set up at the moment. It's a bit messy from yesterday, but I'm just going to tidy all that up, put that stack all the offcuts outside and skip. I'm just using the Erbauer mitre saw at the moment. I'm planning to upgrade the 36 volt Mickey on eventually, hopefully in a month or two. I've got the portable vacuum underneath, but as you can see it didn't really hold much, and I just got my mask there because it's MDF skirting and architrave. So I'm just going to crack on with these architraves. I'm going to mark them up, get them cut, and I'll show you how I did them. Quite a few other people do them the same way as well. So now I've got these architraves on now, I'm going to go around and do the skirting board. So with skirting board, what I'll do first is I'll get my broom, get my chisel, broom out any debris, and if any of the plaster's coming out a bit, I'll just knock it off with my chisel. So you can see there, I'll just have to knock that off. It's normally like in the corners, I'll have to knock it off. So I'll just go around, sweep all this up so it doesn't hold the skirting up. And then with skirting board, what I like to do is I like to go around the room that way. So that will be my first piece. That piece there will scribe into that piece, and there, and that piece will go into there, and it just goes on like that. So I prefer scribing on the right side. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed or not, but that's how I do it. So it's the next day now. I just need to go pop to Screwfix to get some mitre bond because I ran out and I didn't realise. So the progress we made yesterday, 4 more rooms are done, worth of skirting, load more architrave, but I had to leave quite early because I had some quotes to go to. And then it's obviously it's the next day now. I had some quotes this morning. I had 3 quotes to go to. I got to the job around 12 o'clock. It's currently 25 minutes past, and I'm just doing the hallway upstairs, and I come to do an external mitre, and then I realised I had no mitre bond, so I'm going to quickly pop to Screwfix, pick some up, come back. But first I'm just going to eat some yogurt and some granola, and then I'm going to go over to Screwfix. So I'm starting up in the loft now. I'm going to start off with all the loft tray, then carry on doing all the skirting board. First floor is pretty much completed, just a few bits, but some of the rows are on the way. So I'm going to get to that a bit later on. So I'm going to hit this loft. I've got this main bedroom section here, and then we've got the walk-in wardrobe bit here, but we're only going to be doing bit of this corner, that corner, and then bit at the end. The rest are going to have cabinets. So the home manager said not to put them there, and I agreed. I've just got this small room as well to skirt out, and then through to the ensuite. There's just this little alcove room here, which needs to be skirted as well. So it's around 3 o'clock now, so I'm hoping to finish these 3 rooms by like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's hot. You can probably tell by my t-shirt, but it is hot today. I think it's around like 30, but it's a loft conversion as well, so it's even hotter up here. I've got all the windows open. Unfortunately, I don't have a fan, which sucks. But yeah, so I'll show you again how I'll do these. So what I do first with these is I'll mark out 5mm margin with my combination square. I'll just go around and then I'll measure from the floor up, and then whatever that is. So both legs should be the same, and then you've got the head, and then same over here. I'll do all the margins, I'll go measure all of them, I'll get them all cut. So it's the next day now. Well, my nose. Yeah. It's the next day now. I think my nail gun was overheating yesterday because it just was not firing at all. Changed the gas, changed the battery, nothing, just wasn't firing. So took it home, opened it up, done like a little service, so hopefully it will be running spot on today. But it is hot up here again, so I bought a fan, so hopefully that will circulate some air around, and then we'll be spot on for today then. Here's the architrave for that. Shall we see if it fits? I think stuff like this, you just need to take your time whilst you're doing your angles. You can see I've got my margins going all the way along the degrees of what that is, and then you work out what it is. I haven't tried it yet, so hopefully it fits.